What if applying for food assistance in America took minutes, not weeks, with AI guiding you through eligibility in plain English? Imagine AI auto-filling forms from verified data and flagging when a neighbor with similar needs got denied unfairly. This isn't utopian thinking. In Michigan, an AI-powered SNAP modernization pilot reduced processing time from 30 days to under 72 hours. This pilot also cut wrongful denials by 22% by detecting inconsistent adjudication patterns across caseworkers. Government isn't broken, it's overwhelmed. Federal agencies face 30 to 50% staff turnover in critical roles. State DMVs often drown in legacy systems older than most employees, and disaster response still relies on paper forms and fax machines. AI isn't about replacing civil servants. It's about freeing them to do high judgment work. At the IRS, AI now auto-resolves 68% of simple taxpayer inquiries, freeing agents to handle complex identity theft or small business cases. In Los Angeles County, an NLP tool scans 311 calls in real time, routing mental health crises to train peers, not police. This innovative approach has cut unnecessary emergency room transports by 39%. But the real revolution is inequity by design. Too often, government tech widens gaps, but AI can reverse that if built right. After Hurricane Ida, FEMA used geospatial AI to overlay flood models, property records, and community-sourced damage reports. This allowed them to prioritize aid to historically overlooked neighborhoods where satellite imagery alone missed informal housing. In New York City, an algorithm auditing 311 service requests revealed systemic delays and pothole repairs in majority Black zip codes. This triggered automatic reassignment and transparency dashboards, ensuring more equitable service. Predictive maintenance is another quiet win. The city of Pittsburgh's Bird's Eye View uses AI to analyze decades of 311 data, weather, and traffic patterns. This system predicts which water mains will fail next, not just reacting after they burst. The result? 40% fewer emergency breaks, saving millions and minimizing disruption in vulnerable communities. Yet trust remains the biggest hurdle. Citizens fear AI will depersonalize services or embed bias. The antidote? Radical transparency. Some states now publish algorithmic impact assessments. These are plain language reports explaining what data and AI uses, how decisions are made, and how to appeal. Others, like Colorado's Benefits Navigator, let users see the AI's logic. You qualify for WIC because 2 children under 5+ income, less than 185% FPL. This isn't about flashy dashboards. It's about dignity, speed, and fairness baked into the machinery of democracy. If you believe government can be responsive, not just bureaucratic, hit subscribe, like, and share this video. Tap the bell icon, because in Part 2, we'll reveal how AI is modernizing voting access and detecting fraud in real time without profiling. We'll also explore why the U.S. Digital Service is quietly rebuilding America's tech backbone, one agency at a time.